Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We are back with another hair video, but our hair is already styled, so I kind of wanted to switch it up and kind of style my hair first and then come back and tell you everything that you need to know. The hair that I'm wearing is from UNice. This is one of the new EasiContour V-part wigs. I have it in the kinky straight texture. So I just installed it. I straightened it so it can be nice and silky. I cut some layers in it, which I think I need to cut a little bit more, but I'm working with a teeny tiny mirror, so I'm not trying to chop it up too much and mess it up. So this is what we did today. Really cute. The hair is 24 inches. I did cut some of the bottom off just so it can look nice and healthy, and I really like the blunt end look on straight hair, so that's what I did. We have a little bit of leave out, a little bit of edge that isn't giving edge, but yeah, super cute, super easy to do when you're in between styles or when you just don't want to go and get your hair done. I attempted to put some braids in my hair so that my wig can be nice and flat, because my hair is getting longer. It's getting longer, it's getting thicker, so this whole protective styling, not doing too much to my hair, I think it's working. We're just working on the front, and y'all see I got a middle part because my little flyaways are growing out, so I'm able to rock a middle part, but I am still going to give it a little break. I'm going to go back to my side parts tomorrow, but I just wanted to do a middle part for this install because it is a middle part wig, so will be part wig. So yeah, that is all. Let's jump right into the video. So here we are with the installation process. I am just slapping this V part on. You really don't even need as much leave out that I have out, because how the wig is made, your hair will easily blend into it, so you can leave a little teeny bit out. Since the hair kind of overlaps the band on the end, it kind of gives the illusion of the hair growing out of your scalp, so the least leave out the better. I'll probably try this again with using less leave out, just because we're all about protecting our hair's integrity over here, so the least amount of manipulation that we have to do is the best, which is why I love getting kinky textured hair, or Yaki straight, which is what this wig is, and it just mimics relaxed hair. It mimics blown out silk pressed natural hair, and I love that because it's not a lot that you have to do. Now I've already washed and blow dried this hair, so all I'm gonna do now is just go over it with a flat iron so that I can get the strands nice and sleek like I like. And the hair is 24 inches, but like I told you in the beginning, I did clip the end so that it just gives a more healthy, refreshed look, because the ends were a little on the frail side. So yeah, that's all we're doing here. And then I'm just gonna go in and add a little teeny bit of layers. I'm not using scissors, I'm just using this little kind of eyebrow razor to just add a little layers around the face so we're not giving Morticia. Okay? And this is what we are looking like. Really cute, really refreshed, really healthy looking. It looks like nicely blown out hair. That's what it's giving. This is how long it is on me now. The hair has so much movement, it has so much body, it's giving body yaddy yaddy. And I love the density on the hair, so I will list all the specs of the unit that I'm wearing down below, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.